Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the automatically hide interface while drawing option on the Sketches application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the 3 point on the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings section and find it the automatically hide interface while drawing option and just tap to the white circle and new is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.